These things aren't just a super cool addition to your home. They can save you serious money on your heating and cooling costs, but also they are super cool. I'm Carrie with EPB, and today we're talking about smart thermostats. Let's see what we can learn. A smart thermostat is any thermostat that can be controlled with your phone, tablet, or voice-enabled device. And they're called smart for a reason, because they are loaded with advanced capabilities that your average thermostat just can't offer. Not only do they allow you to control your thermostat remotely via your devices, but they can learn your preferences as they go and optimize your system to keep you comfortable and save you money. Now let's take a deep dive and see if we can learn a little more with EPB Energy Pro, Ron Jones. Hi, Ron.
Hey, Carrie.
All right, so we want to know, how do smart thermostats work?
Well, smart thermostats work by connecting the heating and cooling system and the thermostat main control to an app that is downloaded onto your smart device. Now, this allows you to operate your heating and air conditioning system from wherever you are, and you can adjust the temperature as you wish.
Let me tell you, when we're on the road and then we remember we didn't set our thermostat, we don't have to worry about that anymore,
No.
do we? All right, so how does it save you money over time?
Well, it really doesn't make sense to heat or cool a home while you're away.
Right.
The smart thermostat has the ability to learn your schedule and your habits. You know, it can even detect when you're on your way home and set the temperature to your desired settings.
I like that. It's working with me. I like that a lot. All right, I know there's all kinds of cool features available. What are some of the coolest features you can tell us about?
Well, some of the cool features is, first of all, you can operate it from your smart device.
That's a win.
Okay. Secondly, some of them gives you weather reports.
Oh, that's great.
And then you can also download an app that shows you how long that your unit has been operating for the day. And then some of them are even voice control.
Oh, I like that. That saves me some time if I can just talk to it. I like that. All right, so I think I know the answer to this, but can I install it myself? You hesitate.
Yes, because if you're not familiar with an HVAC system, I would not recommend for you to try installing
Fair
it
enough.
yourself.
Okay.
Because if it's wired incorrectly, it could cause more problems than good.
Okay, we'll let the professionals install it. Is it easy to use?
Absolutely. I mean, like any app that you already use, once you familiarize yourself with it, you'll just wonder, why in the world did I even go this long without having a smart thermostat?
I'm sold. Thanks, Ron. And now we know smart thermostats are really cool tech that can really save you money over time. If you want to know anything else about smart thermostats or talk to one of our EPB Energy Pros for EPB recommended brands, just give us a call or send us a request at epb.com/energypros. We're always here to help, and we can even give you a free home energy checkup in your home or virtually. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.